Hey, guys, today was trying to unblock someone on Messenger if you deleted the conversation. So if you guys would like to go ahead and unblock somebody on the Messenger application, in the case that you have deleted the whole conversation, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to unblock them step by step and locate where your block list is. So please like this video and subscribe if you guys want to go ahead and do so. What we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Messenger applications and tap on your three lines on the top left corner. Tap on settings on your gear icon. Scroll down until you see more in account center. Now once you're already here, let's go ahead and locate our accounts over here. And let's actually try to see where the option to see our block list is. So in the case that you can't see it under your account center, let's actually try to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Because over here, let's go ahead and tap on settings and privacy from our menus tab. And that's gonna take us to their settings tab. I want you to scroll down until you see the people or the block list. So over here, under audience and visibility, here we have an option to see our blocking. Here we have also all of the people that we have blocked before. So if you guys would like to go ahead and unblock them, all we need to do is just tap on the specific person that we want to go ahead and unblock and proceed with unblocking them. It's that easy, guys, to go ahead and unblock this person. So go ahead and do so. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.